for so long.
So guys, today
we're going to be making slime. Okay, guys.
So
right now I have metallic glue and I also have color changing glue.
I have color changing glue and also glow in the dark glue.
So by the way, guys, they're giving me some of their glue because I didn't get them glue.
Okay. He has clay, so yeah, I'm just gonna go.
Okay, so give him some. Okay, give him some of that.
Okay.
2 things.
Ah, okay, sorry.
Let me try it. Let me do it for you.
Thank you.
Okay.
Do not do it that big though.
1, 2.
Okay, that's nice. One back to me. I don't think. Oh my god.
Okay, so
You're gonna-
spoons, please.
I'm using my hands.
Spoons, please. Spoons, please.
Patrick, come on.
Spoons, please. Let's just continue making our slime.
We don't need glue.
Okay,
Let's
let's do some of this. So this is our first time making slime.
Yeah,
I
guys,
guess we just do the spoons last.
but we don't really know how to.
Patrick, you done all your glue?
You have to do the
Oh, let's do all, I'm gonna do all my glue, okay? Okay, you do yours first. No, that, not
Oh, you have to do this first.
No.
This is glue, right?
No, it's
I'm
magical
not sure.
liquid. Makes.
I guess this one's done, I guess. I
Sorry,
don't know, but
guys.
this thing does not look.
Okay, guys.
What?
It looks like that's all that I'm gonna get for now.
Hey, guys, like this actually.
Are you sure Travis not touching us? I don't really care if
You know who you sound like? Killian sounds like Miracle Guy.
Who's Mir? Oh yeah, from
Heroes.
yeah.
Okay.
Really hero.
Let me do it.
Oh, this is what I was looking for. This bad boy.
Magical liquid.
I can't believe that this is actually hitting color.
This is our first time making slime.
Yeah, our first time making a slime video at least.
See, it'll just be liquidy. And I'm gonna put some shaving cream.
I guess I'm done with my glue, so I'm just gonna mix it.
Yeah.
Shaving cream.
It smells good.
Option.
Pat, aren't you supposed to put the activator first?
I did. Here, just use my activator.
Thank you. I'm just gonna add
I'm
one,
gonna add a
two,
more glue.
3, 4. Okay. OMG, this feels like slime already. You know that, Patrick?
This is
Add a
so
little bit
cool.
more. Guys, look at this slime I'm making. I'm just trying to be honest.
Whoa! Look, guys.
Pat, look what I'm doing.
So cool.
OMG, guys, look at this. Look at this. OMG.
Okay, I'm going in for the hands, y'all.
Guys, look at this. Look at my slime.
Cool. Look at mine. Guys, don't. Let's go mix it up.
Guys, this is so fun. Guys, you should try this at home. It's
Yeah.
really
So
cool and
sticky.
fun.
I think I need
Yeah,
to
Anthony, look at mine. Look, Anthony.
add a little bit more activator.
Patrick, look at mine, guys. I think I need to add more activator too. Look.
Oh,
OMG, guys. I'm really not planning this, but
First time making slime. Going pretty well. We didn't even search up the steps, y'all. We just did it.
yeah. I really wish I searched up the steps, but we couldn't. We didn't have time, right?
We just didn't.
Yeah.
We're not cheaters, y'all. First time, we're not gonna lie. We ain't gonna cheat.
Guys, I think I need some more
Slime.
Activator.
Activator.
Just try to squeeze up some of that.
Okay, so how am
Guys,
I?
look at my
I want to
slime.
take this off my hands.
Just
No,
keep
that's
making it slime.
Move.
See, guys, look at my fluffy slime. Fingers crossed you can still glow in the dark, right, guys?
Mhm. Thank you.
Sorry.
I'm
Sorry.
gonna-
More blues coming.
Get a more activator.
Okay, good.
Thank you.
Welcome.
So guys,
Let's go play around with it a little bit.
oh, we're making a rainbow color, guys. Look.
That looks like that just looks like
I have to
Patrick.
try to take this.
No, look, it's rainbow. Look, KK. It's turning rainbow.
Look, I need to put my slime.
Dude.
Myself, better slime. That's what happens when she watches all these slime videos.
Yeah, but they never taught me.
Oh, by the way, KK, since you don't have no more in your bottle, can I use the rest, please?
Anthony.
Thank you,
He
sis.
just literally looks white.
Patrick, who said you
Thanks.
said? I never said yeah.
Uh-huh.
I said it.
You just did.
No, I said
Please, it has no more, see?
I don't care. So what do you need it for?
Just for a little bit. Thank you. Do it the hard way, guys.
Look, guys, my thing is coming off. Look,
My thing's coming off, and you're joking. I'm mixing it.
look, guys, look.
My face like feathers.
Look for mine.
It's so sticky.
No, it's not.
But it's actually kind of really sticky.
There. Gonna get all of the slime out.
I'm gonna get all the slime out of this plate,
Guys,
right,
it's
guys?
turning good now.
Mallet slime in there.
I'm not sure that's what.
The guys are having so much fun. We're gonna keep on making bangers for you guys.
What does bangers mean?
Videos. Good.
Well, nobody ever told me that. Guys, comment down below what banger means. I don't believe that. Guys, look at this.
Here, bro. Fix some.
Oh, thank you.
Guys, look at this. My slime's so fat.
Mine is so green, y'all.
Mine is just so
Look.
fat. OMG.
Guys,
See how
I don't,
far my
guys,
hand is.
comment down below what color do you think my slime would be in the end of the video.
Yeah, if you play with it too much, it says, see?
Starts getting better.
Yeah.
See, look.
Mine barely shows the mallet.
Yeah, yours barely actually
It shows the green more.
Mine shows pink more than the color ones.
Mine shows.
Nothing.
Well,
It kind of shows yellow.
Shows like yellow, but at the same time pink.
what if it just turns yellow?
Fuck, that'd be so cool, dog.
I don't put my both on.
Gee, she's beating me.
Put some of this.
The more green it is,
The more you play with it, it actually starts getting off, right, guys?
Mm-hmm.
But when you add more ingredients, oh, it sticks right on you. No
Okay, guys,
worries.
and also just to pop this up, please subscribe and like and share. It will really be appreciated, guys, and it will really help us. And it will really help us do more videos and more bangers.
Yeah.
And
But guys-
we will really appreciate it, and that will really help us. And it's really quick. And thank you so much, guys. That's all I gotta do. We really appreciate it, guys.
yeah, we can do better videos.
Yeah.
So, guys, I'm gonna put some glitter.
Yeah.
Why are you adding glitter? This beauty is not for glitter.
We're doing this for you guys.
Okay, I'm just gonna get pink glitter. That's the only thing.
All the glitter's just popping out like every so.
What is happening? What color is this turning
See what
to?
I'm doing?
I don't. What are you? Ow!
Guys, this color is this turning to? Look.
Yeah, guys, calm down
I
below.
don't know. Just let me try to play with it.
Mixing.
Let me try to play with it.
Look at this, guys.
Dude.
Mine's getting. OMG! Look at this
No.
whipped cream.
So I gotta play with the X one.
Here, put it in there.
Yo,
look at this, y'all. I think I made the best slime. Let me see how.
Well, I'm not done with my slime.
Okay, ready? Ready, Pete? Ready?
I'm surprised my slime can even get this big, Patrick.
Me Kimmy's is the same stretchy.
Look, bro, I'm surprised my slime can even get this big.
Keep on playing with it like this. Look.
Yeah. Guys, look at this. I want to show you something.
Thanks for the tip. Thank you, bro.
Welcome. Ever your stuff a little bit too slimy?
Oh, it doesn't.
And
Mine feels like it smells so good. You know why? Because the whipped cream is actually different. I'm adding too much like Anthony to make other people.
You guys could do this. Look, this is how you make a bubble, guys. Do this, and then do this, and then do this, and then do this, and then bam,
I think I just popped
bubble.
something. I popped the bubble.
Guys, comment comment down below. Comment down below slime. Hashtag slime, okay, guys?
You just said it's
To
slime.
get a shout out on the next video.
Sorry, I didn't.
We'll
mean
shout
to.
out we shout out everyone we can shout out. So
Comment
comment
down
down
slime and tell us that you posted and subscribe to get a shout out.
Oh, guys, look at this bubble. I'm about to pop it.
No, he means that post it, share, subscribe, and like.
And like this video and you'll get a shout out on our next.
Yeah, just like the video, share, we share so we can show more love to people, so other people can get more love.
Activate more activator and
Yeah.
add more whipped cream.
Can you pass me?
Okay.
Can I get some more, guys?
Look at this, guys. I'm holding the whipped
Put yours
cream.
right there.
Now mine's gonna be more puffier. Mine's puffier, guys. Look at this. Mine's gonna get puffier when this is done.
Woo, guys, look at this. Look at this. It's still going. Look, guys, look.
Guys, comment down below who you think is gonna win. Never judge a book by its cover. At the beginning, but not at the end. You get to find a book very good, and that's gonna be me.
I'm gonna.
Guys, if this slime turns white, that would be crazy.
Yeah.
It's already turning white. That would be so
Can you
cool.
feel it? Why is it so slimy? You have to mix it in like this. Like go in and then wait in and then out.
And
Look at this, guys. I'm trying
And
to
it's
make a
like
patty cake.
drama.
What? This is like, well, guys, in a few days we might make a clay video. So keep out.
We never said we were gonna make a clay video back.
Ooh. Guys, on our next video. Stay tuned.
Patrick, you can't promise that. Patrick, that is something you could not promise.
Yeah, I can't promise it, but we'll try to. Try. Okay, guys. Now this is to see who has the best slime.
no, not now.
Yeah, Anthony's not even done his. Look at this.
Hey.
Guys, then you're gonna lose your slime, or you could jump on.
Sabotage.
That is, thank you, Pete. Left that just more whipped cream.
Yep.
Doesn't matter.
You're welcome.
No, thank you.
You just said me, so I don't care.
Sabotage.
That's what you do? No, don't sabotage. I only did that when I had one. Mine looks so good.
Mine looks better. Look at this. Mine's soft.
Guys, I might sell this, so.
Look, Patrick!
Why, you mad? Because I have better slime than you?
My slime is so good.
Well, guys, we're going to be. This video will end in about 10 more minutes.
We don't know.
Because we're going to have some fun. We might film another video. You never know.
We're not gonna film. Patrick, you're not gonna shoot. You
Look at this. It looks like a tornado.
No, that does not look good. Look
So
at this.
Yours became better. Did mine, at least so far, is winning.
Let's see.
No, KK, no.
I'm not gonna touch
She's
it.
trying to steal your slime.
No, I don't want her touching it, period. Do you not see her foam hands? At least Anthony's hands are not dirty.
How dare you?
Anthony's hands is actually the cleanest.
Anthony, can I show everybody who your crush is?
I don't have a question.
Can I show everybody who your crush is?
No.
Okay then.
Bye, guys. Peace, 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 peace.